How are you dealing with the pressure, Ashley?
I don't know.
Do you know what you're doing? You look like you've got everything under control. Is that right? No. Good luck. How are you feeling?
Okay.
You confident? Yeah. Easy. What are you adding to your cake, Mr. Veer?
Chocolate beads. Oh, that's serious.
How are you feeling?
I'm alright.
You nervous?
No.
Feeling confident?
Yeah.
Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah.
Who do you think your main rival is?
You.
Mate, I'm not cooking.
Yeah, one better than
How's it going?
Good.
Where's yours? Where's your cake mixture? Are you feeling confident?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who do you think's your main competition?
What?
Who's your main competition?
Colour?
Leontay.
What colour?
Chef Leontay.
You need like a little bit.
Do you know what you're doing, sir?
Absolutely not at all.
How you feeling?
Nervous.
Who's your main rival?
Miss Christopher.
She's our rival. I've heard accusations that you've been asking students to do some of your mixing for you.
No, it's all lies. It's all lies.
It's going on here.
Devaney's taking this very seriously.
Yeah, well, I've got to win.
Talk us through what you're doing, miss.
I have creamed my butter and sugar. I'm now going to put my lemon zest and my lemon juice in for my lemon and blueberry.
Lemon and blueberry. How's it going, miss?
It's a bit nerve-wracking, sir.
Is it?
There's a lot of competition. I think Morgan's my biggest competition.
Oh, this looks interesting. Talk us through it.
Mr. Haynes,
What are you doing?
rainbow cupcake.
Easy rainbow cupcake.
Yeah.
Easy.
What about easy?
Easy. Easy peasy, cheap as chips. Even that is the winner, right? Never mind this lot who can't cook, right? Yeah, can't cook, can't cook.
Let me be naughty yet again.
Do you even know what's going on? No. Oh. As a catering student in year 11,
Yeah.
you and the other year 11s are clearly amongst the favourites. How do you deal with that pressure?
Well, there isn't really that much pressure because everybody loves us.
So you're hoping your popularity will win you the competition?
Oh my god, sir. What is this cameraman skills? Sir, what are you doing? Johnson.
I don't know, miss. That's my practice cake.
Jessel's cheating, as usual. Morgan, how are you doing?
Doing well.
This is a piece of cake to you, isn't it? Child's play.
Piece of cake.
Now, if you tell me what you've just seen in that cooking room.
Mr. Lucky licked the spoon.
Mr. Lockett licked the spoon. Too good for oven gloves, Mr. Owen?
Too good for oven gloves.
Best bit.
They're breaking rules here.
What's the matter?
They're breaking rules. You should be disqualified from this.
I'm not sure for you. Even in brown.
we've done here, I put a bit of cream, bit of jam, as does Smart Price, bit more cream, and then a lid. Put a lid on it. Brilliant. With chocolate chips, he's going to put some casting.
I wanted to go for a famous landmark, the Leaning Tower of Cakes, but it didn't lean too much, so it's a cake kebab now.
That's it. Light as a feather.
You can eat it. I can't present that. It'll upset me. You present it.
Why don't you do when I'm home? When you get home tonight?
That's nice.
Why don't you do? It's nice, isn't it?
You lost for words.